person, right? So there is a command called awk. This command makes reading the files very easy. So if you know awk, you will 99% of time you will not use while loop to read these files, because it's much easier to use to read the files using the awk. So if I just want to print the first line of this tcg2 file, I will just type print $1. $1 means first column, $2 second column, and that so on. If you want to print the whole line, you just do $0. But right now we are printing $1, and single quote will end the awk statement, and then you need to give the file which you want to read and enter. So you have the output of the first column, right? If you want to print the second,
In the previous command, it read only 10 lines. When reading long lat. Now it read only 10.
Because it's so here.
okay, I did the head to read this. The head will only read the first 10 lines, right? If you do the cat, then it will show you all the files. So you have so many, right? Okay. So if we type awk print $1 and print $2, then it will print the value of $1 and $2. Okay, so just type enter. So we have the value of $1 and $2, right? Similarly, we can print everything $3, $4, right? So that's how we print the whole line. But there is simpler way to print whole line also. So you can just do $0. So you have the whole line, or you you don't even need to do $0. You just do print, so it will print all the lines, right?
Can we arrange the columns like first and the second is okay side by side, but the third column we need to put it underneath,
You want to
print it underneath the first column.
Yes, okay.
you want to print the
Third column.
first column first, second column, and then you want to put the third column below that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can do that. Can we do that later? Because
Yeah.
first,
We can do this just add a
Slash n.
yeah,
Just add the slash n.
okay. So just okay. I guess we need to use the print f, right? I don't know. Maybe let's try.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so you can do the arithmetic calculation over this these values of 1 and 2 also. Like if you want to multiply the dollar second column by, okay, first let me print it again. Second column, if you
Can you just add DCG2 type awk just to have 5 lines or 10 lines?
okay, yeah,
That would be easier to read.
yeah, okay. So in this way, then you don't need to give the command here, the file name here. So it will just do for the first.
If you want to reverse latitude and longitude, you just print $2, $1.
Yeah,
That's really easy.
yeah. So you don't need to copy it.
Compile with GMT.
Yes. This is a GMT input.
Yeah.
Yeah.